You're listening to Nebraska City Weather Service. The following weather outlook is provided by the National Weather Service office in Norman, Oklahoma. It is 10 p.m. Central Time. In the next 2 hours, we are expecting thunderstorms to be occurring all week starting on Sunday at 12 a.m. Central Time, and will be in effect until Saturday 11:59 p.m. Central Time. During that time, severe thunderstorms that are capable of producing tornadoes will be striking the state of Nebraska. Expect destructive winds, roof damage, tree damage, and flood zones being all flooded up. It is Saturday night right now, so it is and really too late to get ready for the longest thunderstorm ever recorded. Anyways, at this time, you are advised to get ready for a long thunderstorm by gathering food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, solar chargers or fully charged wireless chargers, and a battery-powered radio to last you and or your family for the next week. You or anyone else should never be outside during the thunderstorm, as you could be crushed by power lines, trees, debris, and possibly some other objects. The National Weather Service for the city of Nebraska City, Nebraska has issued a severe storm advisory, which is in effect from 10:01 p.m. to 12 p.m. Central Time. This is a severe storm advisory warning, meaning that this is intended to warn everyone about severe weather heading your way, which will warn you to get ready for anything that happens. Note that these warnings are rarely given when it comes to storms like the one that about to occur. Right now, it is not too late to get ready. But do not waste time, as waiting for even 10 minutes might ruin your chance to get your supplies ready. If you need to restock on supplies, do so immediately. Expect destructive winds, roof damage, tree damage, and flood zones being all flooded up. It is Saturday night right now, so it is and really too late to get ready for the longest thunderstorm ever recorded. Anyways, at this time, you are advised to get ready for a long thunderstorm by gathering food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, solar chargers or fully charged wireless chargers, and a battery-powered radio to last you and or your family for the next week. You or anyone else should never be outside during the thunderstorm, as you could be crushed by power lines, trees, debris, and possibly some other objects. Repeating, do not wait to restock on supplies. Do so now. These thunderstorms are capable of producing tornadoes. And do not go outside while the storm is in effect, as you may be crushed by debris, power lines, trees, and maybe some other objects. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates on this dangerous situation. Shelter-in-place warning. This is your emergency broadcast system. This is not a test. At this time, all residents across the city of Portland, Oregon are being urged to stay indoors at this time. Many dead bodies have been seen across the city of Portland. It is believed that a serial killer is on the loose, and police are currently investigating the situation, as well as searching for this possible serial killer. For your safety, remain indoors for the day. If someone knocks on your door, do not answer it unless it is someone you know, such as a friend or family member. Although, all residents should be staying indoors at this time, so you should not receive any knocks on your door. If someone knocks on your door, it is probably a serial killer that is said to be on the loose. Remain tuned to the station for more information on this dangerous situation. For more information about the current situation and for additional instructions, visit the Federal Emergency Management Agency website at www.fema.gov. This is your emergency broadcast system. This is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert, as it is vital to your safety and survival. At this time, you are in a life-threatening situation. The state of Oregon is under the threat of an unknown individual, which is roaming around the state killing everyone he sees. This individual is not like any other human we have ever seen. This individual is believed to be non-human, as the characteristics of this individual seem pretty weird for a typical human. The following characteristics are horns on its head, 4 arms, 4 legs, 3 eyes, demonic blood-red eyes, demonic skin, extreme malice behavior, and an extremely dark voice and laugh. This individual is responsible for all of the dead bodies seen across the city of Portland, Oregon. Attacks and deaths from this individual are slowly becoming more and more often as time goes on. Therefore, it is being urged for all residents across the state of Oregon to take the appropriate action to protect their lives, as staying outside during this time is considered extremely dangerous. For your safety, remain indoors for the duration of this emergency. Stocking up on supplies at this time is strongly discouraged, as this individual is also known for instantly teleporting to random places from time to time. If he teleports inside your house, use anything by all means to protect yourself, including lethal force. If someone knocks on your door, do not answer it unless it is someone you know, such as a friend or family member. Although all residents should be staying indoors at this time, so you should not receive any knocks on your door. If someone knocks on your door, it is probably a serial killer that is said to be on the loose. For more information about the current situation and for additional instructions, visit the Federal Emergency Management Agency website at www.fema.gov. Do not go outside, and be ready for anything that could happen. This event is expected to last for the remainder of the night, and hopefully, the situation gets taken care of by sunrise. Remain tuned to the station for more information on this dangerous situation. Do not go to sleep. I repeat, do not go to sleep. This is your emergency broadcast system. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert, and do not go to sleep at this time. Many reports came in about people having extremely horrifying nightmares, then dying in their sleep. People were able to figure this out because the sleeping people were talking in their sleep, saying a bunch of disturbing stuff, such as humans being slaughtered by demons or something. In addition, the people who were dying in their sleep were also saying that we should go outside right now because it is beautiful out there. Do not go outside at all. I repeat, do not go outside. Stay indoors at all times while the situation is ongoing. The individual, which has been confirmed to be non-human, is believed to have somehow entered other people's brains when sleeping, and put a thought of something demonic inside the human brain, causing this human to somehow dream it, and pretty much live it. Of course, they die in their sleep shortly after they begin dreaming this, since it is so disturbing. It is so violent and scary that your brain won't be able to comprehend it. The thoughts are so big and powerful, they can somehow cause your brain to not function properly, leading to it rotting away. At this time, do not go to sleep. Stay awake and indoors at all times. If you feel like sleeping, attempt to engage in any activity that will keep you awake. Do not close your eyes for an extended period of time. Do anything by all means to stay awake, because if you fall asleep, you may never wake up. Stay tuned to the station for further information and updates on the current situation.
Oh my freaking gosh. Why can't I beat this stupid video game? This stupid video game is so freaking hard.
Kalu, stop making so much noise. I'm trying to do my work and all I hear is you screaming like a little girl.
Dad, shut up. We can't go to sleep, remember? Why are you surprised that I'm up this late?
Kalu, just because we can't go to sleep doesn't mean you get to be raging at video games for no reason. Read a book or something. Don't waste your time on some stupid video game.
Oh Dad, why don't you go sleep? You need it anyway.
That's it. Turn off the Xbox. You're done playing it for tonight.
No.
Get off right now or you're grounded.
No. Screw off Dad and let me beat this freaking video game.
That's it. You're grounded for the rest of the week. Bring me your Xbox right now.
No.
You're not getting it back until you learn to stop raging at video games. The world doesn't evolve around you and stop being such a crybaby.
You
know what? I'm done with this.
No. Get away, Dad.
Give it to me.
No.
Now read a book or something.
This is your emergency broadcast system. Please pay attention to this alert at this time. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The individual continues to kill people in their dreams and cause a bunch of mayhem. There is some information we need to announce to the public right now, as this information is severely important. It has just been revealed that this individual has the ability to disguise himself as anyone he wants. He can disguise himself as a dead person, or someone who is already alive. For your safety, make sure you know who is inside your house and who is not, and do not open the door for anyone, nobody who they sound like. Even if it is a family member, do not answer it. In addition, the individual can clone himself, and his clones can disguise themselves as different people. In other words, one of his clones could be one person, while another clone could be another different person. This could fool a lot of people into thinking that a clone is someone they are not in reality. To identify who is a real person and who is not, consider the following: are they saying anything that tells you to go outside? What do they say exactly? Are they telling you to do anything risky or dangerous, or something that is against what civil authorities are telling you to do right now? To recall, you are currently being ordered to stay indoors and to keep the door closed at all times. You can also ask them a question you know they would know. If they don't answer correctly, it is probably one of the clones of this individual or the individual itself. Keep in mind that all of this is just a recommendation and that this does not mean you should answer the door for anyone. Honestly, if it was someone you know or if it was a real person, they would probably stay inside their homes as well, unless they are complete idiots that have no idea what is even happening right now. Police are trying to find this individual to capture it, and they believe if they kill the individual, all of his other clones will die with him too. This is not confirmed at this time, but it is a theory that is likely true. Continue to follow these instructions. Stay indoors. Do not go outside. Do not answer the door for anybody, no matter who it may sound to be. Do not go to sleep. Stay awake at all times. Most importantly, do not panic. Panicking won't do anything to help the situation. Remain tuned to the station for further information and emergency update. The individual has been killed, along with its clones. The warning has been lifted. The danger is over now, and it is safe to leave your home. Let's enjoy the outside world together. Everybody, ignore that last update. That was the individual. It hacked into the EAS and told you fake stuff. Everybody, stay indoors and do not go outside. The warning has not been lifted. Stay indoors.
This is an official message from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is an official message from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The individual, who is still unidentified, but is believed to have been a humanoid demon of some sort, has been found completely torn in pieces. It was also confirmed to be dead. It is unknown how it got killed, but it will be investigated by civil authorities. It also seems like its clones have also died as a result of this individual dying. As of right now, the danger appears to be over, but residents are still being advised to stay in their homes, as it is not exactly sure yet if the danger is completely over, or if something else is about to begin. As of now, remain in your shelters. Remain tuned to the station and other news stations for further updates.